This is a 2009 Cadillac CTS with 45,000 miles. Yep, 45,000 miles. Gorgeous car. Vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Like all of our vehicles, we perform a 125-point certified pre-owned inspection on everything that we sell. When you buy a vehicle from us, you will not need to do a thing to it. It's certified pre-owned. On top of that, we offer a best price guarantee. If you find a comparable one for sale on our market, please let us know and we will gladly beat their price. So yes, you're getting a certified pre-owned vehicle with a best price guarantee. Not going to find that anywhere on the market. For pricing, more pictures, including undercarriage pictures, please feel free to visit our website, autoparadisetx.com. That's autoparadisetx.com. Again, just a gorgeous car, especially when it's clean. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. It is a super, super clean car for 2009. Wow. Carfax certified, no accidents. Fully serviced. I'll do my best to show you every angle. It's really bright out here, so it's really hard to show you with the sun glare, but I think you get the idea. Alloy wheels. Tires are in great shape. Again, you will not need to do a thing to the car when you buy it from us. Black leather interior is in phenomenal condition. They have the original floor mats. No crack dash. 45,000 miles. AM, FM, CD. Automatic transmission. Dual climate control. Power driver seat. Power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise control. No sagging headliner. Again, just a remarkably clean car. So again, this is a 2009 Cadillac CTS, 45,000 miles, wonderful condition, fully serviced, just a gorgeous car. Needs nothing.